A young man once walked through an entire village with a watermelon on his head. Yeah, you've heard that right. Haha. People laughed at him, pointed at him. Some even thought he had lost his mind. But here's the crazy part. That one ridiculous moment taught him a lesson most people spend their whole lives trying to understand. And no, it's not really about the watermelon. It's about you, your stress, your pressure, the things that feel heavy in your life right now. So, before you skip this, give me just a minute, because this simple story might change the way you see everything. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a wise old monk. His name was Master Saifo. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and his unusual sense of humor. One day, a young and eager student named Sam came to the master. He bowed respectfully and said, "Master, please teach me the secret to happiness and success." Master Saifo looked at him with a small, knowing smile and said, "Very well, but first you must complete a simple task. Go to the market and buy the biggest, juiciest watermelon you can find. Then place it on your head and walk through the village without dropping it." Sam was confused but determined. He went to the market and found a massive watermelon. He placed it carefully on his head and began walking slowly, step by step. People stared, then started laughing. Some clapped, some made funny faces, but Sam stayed focused. After a long and careful journey, he finally reached the master's hut. The watermelon was still intact. Sam looked at the master, waiting to be praised. But instead, Master Saifo burst into laughter. He smiled and said, "Well done, young one. Now you understand. Life is just like that watermelon. It can feel heavy, unpredictable, and sometimes even embarrassing. But if you carry it with focus and a sense of humor, you will find joy, even in the hardest moments." From that day on, Sam changed. He faced every challenge with determination and a smile. And whenever life felt heavy, he remembered the watermelon lesson. Always remember this. Life will test you again and again, but you don't always have to fight it. Sometimes you just have to smile and carry your watermelon forward. If this story made you smile or made you think differently, take a second to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more stories like this. Drop a comment below. What is your watermelon right now? I'll see you in the next story. Stay blessed.